This is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy. This is the New York PM session. Today is July 12th, 2025. I am currently in a short position in Bitcoin. I'll walk you through what I have going on in my current position in just a moment. I'll walk you through my trading day so far, starting back here with the London session. Still getting used to the silver bullet trading methodology here, but misgauged this one. This one was a long, but I played it first as a long, but way too tight, trading it based off of this extension here that comes in after my actual trading window starts. So be looking here and then see this price action come into play here. This would give me the impression that this is going to put in some kind of reversal here, which it does. Price delivers to the sell side, but price just comes down into test this lower order block here, sells through this first order block, and then reacts into the second order block, and that sends the price higher. But excuse me, just overall seeing now a more clear pattern down here with this market structure shift that comes in right here. You see this market structure shift where we get a close above these levels here. That gives the market structure shift. And then with fair value gap, and that rebalances fair value gap to the opposite side. So these are some adjustments that I've made from yesterday. So knowing what I want to see out of a market structure shift. So this would be a valid market structure shift. And then you can see price consolidating here. And then now pulling back into this order block that had not been reached back into here at this point. And then that was what was necessary to send the price action to the buy side, pull back, and then continuation here to the buy side. And I took a few positions. I think I took 3 positions, 2 buy side positions from this area here, and then this sell side position here that I stopped out on. These 2 positions you'll be able to see when I go into my tickets for trading today. And then that was the London Open, so I traded that one poorly. I did not see what was going on very clearly, and even in the live, you can see, or at least I could feel, I felt like a deer in the headlights, trying to sort out what I was seeing in Bitcoin at the London Open. Okay, tracking here, nothing, dips back into that order block. Then here what? Nothing, just goes back into there. But yeah, you can see the price action here. It's this price action here that sends price action back to the sell side into this order block of this overall bullish price action here. And then we come over to the New York AM session. After that experience, something clicked, and then I used the Fibonacci retracement here to track the high end of the range of this market structure shift. So this market structure shift comes in on a few different levels. It comes in up here, comes in here, comes in here, and finally comes in here. So I was looking at this space for potential pullback to the 50 or the equilibrium area, and was targeting a fair value gap anywhere around the equilibrium area. Just the way that I've been setting up based off of the market structure shifts from the swing highs and lows, typically price action will return to like the 50 cent level or the equilibrium or 50% level of the overall price action, overall price leg. So using that, just set a measured move off of the range of the fair value gap candle series. So these three candles, just took subtracted the high of the range from the low of the range, and then multiplied by 90% and subtracted that from the lower end of the range to get the measured move, and I was able to take profits down here at this level. And then now watching Bitcoin as I'm in a short position, having a market structure shift coming in here, but looking at the overall pattern as bearish or price action to the sell side. Even though there is a market structure shift, this fair value gap had this fair value gap up until this point here had not been reached back into for any kind of rebalancing, and I've called the top of this fair value gap this swing. When I'm trading off of fair value gaps, I like to have a swing that I use as a high or low, not necessarily. And if it is a candle in the series, like this candle, candle one, then I would use it if it had a wick and was a swing high in this situation. But since it's like a flat top or a double top pattern, to me this seems like an easy grab at liquidity here. So I set my stop up here above this swing high here, and count this as a part of the order block. So I'm counting use this as a part of the fair value gap series. And you can see that candle 3 here is not as low as candle 1. Not as low as candle 2 here. So this is my range here for what I'm trading off of. So I am looking at this as in this is pullback for a short continuation, as in this market structure shift displaces here, pulls back here, another displacement leg here, pull back here, and for potentially another leg lower here. If not, then price action would need to trade above this level here, or not even have to close above, but just trade above here, and I'll be stopped out just above this level here. So if price reaches past this point, to me that tells me that this fair value gap has been violated, and the institutional sponsorship I was looking for just won't be there. About a 2-to-1 risk to reward on my current position. This is my entry here, where you're seeing this line here. Get an entry here on pullback into this level. Stop loss 20 cents above this level, so 10-cent stop, I give it a 20-cent or 10-cent spread, I give it a 20-cent stop, and looking at about a 2-to-1 or so from this position. Right now, currently experiencing some drawdown, but if this is a larger move, there'll be more pullback. But we'll see if this position matures into sell side delivery. Got some bullish fair value gaps here that have yet to be rebalanced here, or at least this one has been rebalanced. So these unbalanced fair value gaps here. So it'll be interesting to see price if it's able to return to these areas, if it's able to sell through them here. And now we're getting some sell side delivery, 117.550 level, new 5-minute low, possibly a new 10-minute low, 544.2. Yeah, so a new 10-minute low, price consolidating now. So this trade could be shaping up. I'll keep an eye on it. More sell side delivery here, trading through the 117.550 level, trading towards now 117.520, 117.500. So getting some sell side delivery with speed here. Less than 1 minute remaining in the current 5-minute candle. So keeping size very small here, keeping risk down. I was trading with higher risk previously, but just decided to tone it down a bit as it's going to take some time for me to get a feel for this system. But it is opening up. The more that I'm trading it, the more times I'm finding myself in advantageous situations, or times that I'm finding myself in adverse situations, like the London session this morning. Just rolling with the punches, so to speak, and making adjustments and improvements as I go along. But I feel like I'm seeing the board a bit better, and I'll keep trading these fair value gaps for entries here, and we'll see how things go progressing forward with this trade. But now it's starting to move back into my direction. Price consolidating here around the 117.500 level. Whatever happens with this trade is likely going to take a while. Let's take a look at my tickets here for today. You can see here these are the 3 positions that I was all twisted up in London this morning, and then here's the last London position. These were all longs. This was a short, and then this was the New York AM session. So right now in the New York PM session, with just this sell position on, reduce my size. That way I can reduce my drawdown as I am gaining competency in this silver bullet methodology. More sell side delivery here. Price trading near the 117.480 level. Price approaching my entry here. 117.470.7 entry. 117.461.9. So price trading, or at least sell side delivery in the previous 5-minute candle and in this candle so far. We'll see if there is continued price delivery here, and we'll see if it can hit target based on my Fibonacci, or not my Fibonacci, but based on the measured move, based off of how I have the fair value gap series, the candles in the fair value gap series measured. So this would likely be a run on liquidity down here at this level here. There's going to be sell side liquidity located here, so this may be a run on it. There's also going to be some sell side liquidity located here. So 2 levels of liquidity. There's also going to be some sell side liquidity here, so a 3rd level. So 3 levels of where liquidity pools are resting, and my target is just below the 2nd level here. Now prices, now I'm back at just around the break even here, just under break even. We're just green here, price just below my entry point, trading at 117.450 here. But I'll continue to let this trade play out, and if all goes well, I'll take profit and possibly give London another take in the morning. But this is on tilt trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy, the New York PM session. We'll